Cooking this delicious Swiss roll in a steam oven means that it's easier to roll and less likely to crack. Add your eggs, sugar and vanilla essence to your stand mixer bowl with the whisk attachment. Whisk the egg mixture until it has tripled in size and pale in colour. When folding in the dry ingredients, ensure that you do not knock out too much air. Carefully pour the mixture into your pre-prepared tray and evenly distribute the mixture. Because we're using a steam oven, we need to ensure that our water reservoir is full. This recipe only takes 7 minutes in a preheated oven. We're using jam and cream here, but you could use mascarpone, lemon curd, coffee filling. It's all up to personal preference. Because we use steam, it's easy to roll, there's no cracks. Light, fluffy, quick and easy.